Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. I would like to thank you for being with us today, and please don't forget to subscribe. Our topic today is to show you how to check the operating system, what version you have. Talking about if you're using Ubuntu, using a terminal, you click here and look for your terminal. Here's the terminal, you double click it, it's gonna open. After that, you just say lsb underscore release -a, then enter. You see it tells us we're using Ubuntu 19.10. so if you don't want to use a terminal, you can still go to click here, look for settings. After getting settings, you're gonna click on about. Yeah, this is what we see. Sometimes you can find maybe when the computer is like this, so you have to look for about. Here's details, then you can see about. So after that, it will show you that you're using Ubuntu 19.10. so that's the thing, that's the way how to check which operating system you're using, version on Ubuntu, using Ubuntu. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification button so that you get all the videos we make each and every day. We almost release a video a day, sometimes after 2 days, but it doesn't take a week. We can even release 4 or 5 videos a day. Guys, please don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.